Hello there! Today, we'll discover how Teams Copilot can streamline your project meetings by efficiently summarizing your meeting notes. We are joining Alex and their team as they finalize the Quick Add Contact feature for their CRM system. Let's dive in. Alex starts the meeting by enabling transcription and allowing Copilot to capture all important details. The team begins by discussing where to place the Quick Add Contact button. Mary suggests placing it on the top navigation bar, ensuring visibility on all screens. Jordan agrees, highlighting the ease of access it would provide. Taylor adds that placing it in a contextual menu could also provide consistency with other features in the CRM system. Alex now wants to record the discussion points and prompts Copilot to recap meetings so far. Next, the team discusses the design of the input form. Jordan outlines the fields, name and email as mandatory, with phone number, company, and notes as optional. The form will either pop up or slide in from the side. Christina emphasizes the need for a minimalist design to avoid overwhelming users. Alex prompts Copilot to list the fields of the input form for reference. The discussion then moves to the confirmation message after saving a contact. Jordan suggests a toast notification with options to add another contact or view contact details, which Mary agrees will provide flexibility without interrupting workflow. Christina interjects, proposing an alternative approach of a subtle banner notification at the top of the screen, allowing users to continue their workflow seamlessly without any pop-ups. Taylor supports this idea, emphasizing the importance of maintaining a clean user interface. Alex then asks Copilot to list various viewpoints on the confirmation message to integrate them into the design process. As the meeting wraps up, Alex confirms the action items with the team. Alex prompts Copilot to list action items. After the meeting, Alex uses Copilot to generate detailed meeting notes, capturing key topics discussed and action items. With Copilot's help in Teams, Alex smoothly led the meeting, making sure everyone's ideas were noted, tasks were clear, and nothing was left unresolved. Copilot neatly summarized discussions on button placement, form design, and confirmation messages, keeping everything organized for Alex to refer back to easily. Plus, Alex can access the meeting recording anytime with Copilot enabled, making it simple to find the information needed. That's how you utilize Copilot to enhance the effectiveness and actionability of your meetings.